लिए आपने कोई नहीं बोला कुछ भी, आप अभी भी गुनगुना रहे हो, अभी भी आप आ सकते हैं और कुछ बोल सकते हैं. First of all, a very very happy good morning, good afternoon, both I will say. Why? Because we have not met completely earlier. I am really grateful. First of all, Vishwa sir, you want to say something? आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं? अच्छा. Respected principal, vice principal, HM ma'am, and my dear colleagues. I am really honored for all the praise which I have heard from my colleagues. I never thought that I hold such honor in your heart. Thank you, Dubey ma'am, for speaking so high. Similarly to Chaurasia sir also, I am grateful for praising me to glory. And of course, my close friend, always anchor of support, Rao ma'am, thank you very much for making my day a memorable one. Indeed, I am honored for all what you have said, and I will definitely cherish all this moment at least. My journey in KVS began on 25th October 1988, which has been already highlighted. The journey was, I must confess today, was with great effort. My husband never wanted me to join as a permanent teacher, but it was my desire, because every time in April, May, when we are ad hoc teachers are, terminated, I used to feel very bad. I used to say, hey, see, we are being thrown out. So keeping this in view, he gave me permission, and in 1988, when he was posted in Chennai, I applied, and to my luck, I managed to get the posting. I got selected. First they thought I am applying for Hindi teacher, because being from North India. But later on they understood that I have applied for English, and I got my first posting in Kerala. This place was quite new to us, and there was no army unit. So we requested Mr. Bhujang Rao that can you kindly adjust me here in Chennai, because my husband is there. I had 2 daughters. So Priyanka was also very small, and Vartika, she was very small. So it was very difficult for me to move out. But then he said, no ma'am, we are sorry. We will adjust you after 1 year. First posting you have to join Kerala. So with my parents, especially my mother, who was the source of inspiration, I managed to join Kerala, because she said, I will come and take care of Vartika, because she was very small that time. Anyway, the journey started in KVS, and I started rendering my services to KVS. It was after 1 year, as promised, Mr. Bhujang Rao, he transferred me to KV Air Force, Avli. And my husband also from Chennai, he got to Avli. In this way, we managed to stay together. I am grateful to Army personals also for arranging my transfer automatically. I always used to render 5 years, and then automatically I stood first in the request panel, and I always used to get my transfer to all the places wherever I sought. And I used to follow my husband, because he used to go first, followed by me. But when I came here, it took me 2 years. I mean, he came here in 2003, and I came in 2005. By the time I could stay here for only 1 year, we both could stay together, and he was posted out. In the meantime, my younger daughter, she was selected for VDS, and then we had to make a sacrifice. He told me that either you have to continue with your job, or you have to stay alone. So we decided that he will move out and I will stay here. But being in the army, we have our restrictions about the accommodation. So fortunately, we constructed a house, and in this way, I stayed for almost 7 years, half of what Ram stayed. You understand? I was also in exile here. I stayed all alone with my
including the vacations which Papa used to come.
Of course, that way.
He used to go.
Yes, 6 months. 6 months we were always together, and 6 months we had to part from each other. And I was again not doing any. When I used to go to him, I was treated like a guest because in the mess we used to dine. So no cooking spree. But it was an adventure, and those 7 years, we both, and that is how Vartika has shared more of my sorrows when I was alone, and she is really down to earth in supporting me in all my difficulties. Priyanka, of course, she was there, but then she was telephonic communication. Back up, mama, doesn't matter, mama, please carry on, mama. All these morale boosters were sent through her. But still, the journey kept on moving, and I kept on doing all the duties that were assigned. After so many principals have come after coming, because this is the maximum number of years I spent in KB Baragarh. I joined in 2005 and now this is 16, 11 years almost I was here. So my span of tenure is much more in comparison to other places. And in this way, I am seeing many principals. Mr. Srivastava was the person when I joined, followed by Mr. Rai, then followed by another
Saraswat sir
was also there. Yes. Then Madam Kaur, then Madam Dara was also officiating. Then Amita Kumar Madam also officiated. Then our PGT seniors, they also officiated. So many were there in the panel. And I had to render whatever duties were assigned to me. I always discharged without any hesitation. I followed 5 principles of my life, and that was to listen and obey to the duties that were given to you. Then see to it that they are carried out without any murmuring or muttering, and ensure that there is a smile on my face, irrespective of whether it is cumbersome or not. And the formula which I applied was that for loyalty, I showed loyalty, and for disloyalty, I showed distance. Thus, I kept my face smiling and moving on with the difficulties of life. After Parakhe sir's arrival, the scenario changed to a different aspect because he found in me some talent and he motivated me and gave me the liberty to carry out all whatever I had in my mind. This support was absolutely needed because I wanted to implement very many strategies, and I think I am grateful to Parakhe sir for allowing me to showcase all my abilities. I will remain indebted to you for that, sir. Similarly, there are so many colleagues, all of you have supported me in hour of adversity. I have been given a pat for whenever I had to face some difficulties, but that is part. Any teacher, I think, cannot survive until and unless it gets the support of their family. And today, I am proud to tell you that my husband, my 2 daughters, they were my pillars of strength. Today, I am timid. I was earlier timid, very shy, very, feeble. But because of their morale boosters, because of their guidance, I was able to cope up with all the duties that were assigned to me by KBS. And I am grateful to them from the core of my heart. I have neglected my duties of a good mother by leaving.
Who said?
No, you will not say.
Why would we say?
No, but as a Papa always said,
No.
Vartika is so small, how can you go to join as a permanent job? These things are at my back mind, but I had always made them independent. I had made them, understand the difficulty of whatever the service formalities are to be carried out by us. But in spite of all that, they were really, they gave wings to my imagination. Whatever I, dreamt, they used to say, come on, Mama, you can do it. You can do it. And that was the, morale booster for me to carry on with all the tasks. Sir knows very well, even on the verge of retirement, I said, sir, shall I fill up for national award? He said, okay, why not? So I'm trying to say that these challenges could be accepted only with the support of my husband, my daughter. They used to say, okay, Mama, please do it, or okay, carry on, why not? So this does give a source of inspiration to the person who is. We are as such worked out with so many of household work and other school duties, to get this kind of, help from your family member indeed helps in making the things much more easier. I have got my fraternity, that is the teaching English community. We had always had many, live discussions during the seminar, which we used to have meetings, PTA meetings, all. Parents used to say, our children are not able to speak in English, we want them to speak in English. All these things were a challenge for me, because after coming from Chennai, where the background of children is very good in English, I really had to struggle here, because the children never learn to speak in English. I was given the task by Srivastava sir to prepare the children to give English speech on Republic Day and Independence. All children said, no ma'am, we don't want to speak in English, we can speak in Hindi. So that was the turning point for carrying out more activities of English in CCA. Because I found that language is learned through practically listening and speaking. Until and unless the child gets the opportunity to listen and speak, he or she will not be able to learn the language. And that was the reason why English dominated the scenario in CCA activities, which was not accepted by many of our parallel teachers. They thought that we are trying to dominate. It is not that. It is the global language which has to be exposed to the child. I just want to tell you, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said that if you want to open the window to the outside world, you have to have the knowledge of English. And that is why I try to motivate the children. And I just want you to at least be acquainted with me through Facebook, because I have showcased all my children's activities through Facebook, not debarring chit chat or other kind of, I am not indulged in any of those things. It is only showcasing how the children can be motivated. ThinkQuest, Oracle has given a beautiful platform, but unfortunately, we were not able to, club that into our day-to-day project, because that required a proper infrastructure. Teacher should have been given a timetable to coordinate with the children, but I used to tell all my principals that please give us a period with the children so that we can go to the computer room and make them do it. But unfortunately, this could not carry out. In spite of that, from my house, I kept on doing it non-stop. You won't believe I was selected as an international judge also. And my Vartika is a witness to it, that even till 2 o'clock, I used to do judgment of because they had online, and the timing of their country and ours was entirely different. So when we had night, they had day. So I was supposed to fulfill those, details in that period. And I had burnt the midnight oil. And to my delight, our projects were selected. First, that is 100% literacy. It came in the top 10. Not only at India, it was at international level. But it was unfortunately due to their reasons, it was stopped. Then we started with Alice. Alice is another source for entertaining the children, and that is through animation. Nowadays you see the children have lost interest. So what is the way in which we can create interest? And I found that Alice software was a very good tool for us teachers of English, so that they can develop their speaking power. And you won't believe, some of the children had done beautiful project, and I wish it to be carried out by you all, so that they get that confidence level which will stand them in good stead for having a better job opportunities. Nowadays we can't say that we will only survive with Hindi. We have to have an international outlook, not only to convey our thoughts, but even to have an international link with the foreign countries, so that our commerce can spread, our science can spread, everything can be, and digitally we are connected with them. Now, I have to say thank you to all of you. One by one, I can't name you all. Taking the departments into consideration, first of all the English department, I want to thank Rao ma'am, Jaya ma'am, Madhu ma'am, all of them, they had been guiding, deciding, and we had been trying to find various techniques to make our children shine in English. And we had been able to produce good results. Though there are little, children can't be of the same stature, but then we tried our best. I want to thank the maths department, the science department, and all the other, the SUPW madam. All of you have cooperated with me in making my tenure very, very happy. I am really grateful to each one of you for showering all the blessings and love and affection on this momentous day. It is indeed a very, very memorable moment for me, and I would love you all to acknowledge by reaching on second to Hideout. You all should know what is the meaning. I am going to hide and I am going out, but I will still be in your hearts, okay? And you all have written yes, thanks, yes, thanks. Now let me see how many of you will make it on that day. Please just tell me if any problem regarding your route, which has already been put up in the invitation. If you have any problem, you may definitely ring me up and I will be there to guide you so that you make it on that day. Thank you very much, Principal Sir. It has been a nice journey with you because you had really allowed me to follow whatever ideas I wanted to. But the tenure was short, and after seeing the beautiful infrastructure which is, developing, all the renovations that you are doing, I have a, urge to stay on. But time has taken its place, and I had to retire as it is destined. And now I will be visiting you like a guest, and I'll see you all shining and smiling. And first of all, my most important request to all of you is to get that benchmark, which has always been, disputed in this panel by the panel of inspection. This year, your result should be 100% so that it can be acknowledged by AC, DC. Everybody should praise that KV Paragar has got that excellent result because of all the effort that has been made by principal to make this ambience beautiful, study-oriented, environmental, so that children do come out with good result. All the best to all of you for the benchmark. Okay, thank you so much. I'm really honored for all the things, support, help that you have rendered to me. Once again, thank you very much to one and all. Thank you.